Good morning, afternoon, or evening, parents, depending on when you are watching this. I have had several questions about how to submit an assignment, so I'm going to make a recording. I hope this answers your questions. I am going to be using a first grade language arts module as my example. So as I go down through my module and my assignments, I see icons here on the side. So the little rocket icon says this is a lesson. I'm sorry, that means it's a quiz. The link icon says this is a lesson, this is a quiz, and this one, the paper and pencil, this is an assignment that you need to print out, fill out, and download. Well, what happens if you don't have a printer? Well, I am going to walk you through how to submit the assignment if you do not have a printer. So to get the paper that we need to print out, we have to go back to the lesson. So this assignment is 1.02. So I need to go to the lesson 1.02. And I'm going to click on that lesson. And then up here at the top, it tells me I am on page 1 of 18. I'm going to click on that down arrow button and go to page 18, the last page in the lesson. The last page in the lesson is almost always what is my assignment. So I'm going to go down, 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 and here I see it says Household Hunt Printable. I'm going to click on that. And here is the printable, Household Hunt Printable. This is the actual assignment. But again, I can't print it, so I'm going to download. Okay? Notice where it downloads to. It says this PC downloads, and the name of is Household Hunt. And it is downloading as an Adobe Acrobat document. I want to make sure all of those things are correct. Then I'm going to click Save. Now comes a really neat part. I'm going to go back to my class link. In my class link, there is an icon that says PDF Candy. I am going to open up PDF Candy. Look at all those things we can do. What we want to do is edit PDF. So I'm going to click on Edit PDF. Now it says Add Files. So I'm going to click on that green button, and I am going to go make sure this says this PC downloads, and I'm going to look for that file that I just downloaded, Household Hunt. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click Open. And there is that printable. Now, I worked on this earlier, so you see there's already some answers, but it says to look around for items that start with these letters. So let's click the T for text. Okay, I want to write something right here. So I click under the D, I click where I want the words to be written. Something that starts with the letter D in my classroom is a desk. So I'm going to type desk and click the check mark, and it puts it in there. Now I need something that starts with the E, so I'm going to come over here and click where I want the words to be. What is in my classroom that starts with the letter E? An easel. E-A-S-L-E-E-L, easel. Okay? And then I'm going to click the green check mark. Something in my room that begins with the letter F, I'm going to put down here, is put fish because I have a stuffed fish in my classroom. So I'm going to hit the check mark and see it puts my words right there. Now down here at the bottom it says to use the words to create two sentences. So in my example before I had written door and I wrote the sentence, I can open the door. Please be sure that you are encouraging your child to create these sentences so that we know they understand the meaning of the word. So I'm going to use the word desk, and again I need to make sure my T is highlighted. I will click where I want the words to be written, and I will type I sit at a desk. Make sure capitalized and a period. Hit my check mark, and there's my words. Down here, sentence 2, I'm going to click where I want the words to be. And I have the word easel. I write on an easel, period. Click my green check mark. There we go. My words are on the paper. Now, I'm going to go to the top and click Apply Changes. When I apply the changes, it says processing, it's thinking, then it says to download file. Now this is an important thing. You're going to download the file, and you'll see it came down here. Look at the name. Here's Household Hunt. That's the one we filled out. This is Household Hunt 1. This is important that you use the right file so that you submit the correct paper. You don't want to submit a blank paper. Now I'm going to go back to my lesson. I'm going to click on Assignments. Here I have 1.02 Household Hunt. That's where my assignment is going to go. So here it says, this is the assignment, Chris in the Crosswalk Household Hunt. It tells me when it's due, how many points it's worth, and what ways I can submit the assignment. I'm going to click on Submit Assignment. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on File Upload. Sometimes I'll have text entry, which is going to look like this, and you're just going to type your answer in the box. We very rarely are going to use website, media, or Office 365. That's most likely never going to use those three. It'll be text entry or file upload. So I'm going to click on File Upload, and here it says Choose File. So I'm going to click Choose File. I'm going to look for, see I have Household Hunt and I have Household Hunt 1. I want Household Hunt 1 because that's the one I filled out. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to click Open, and you'll see that it's sitting there now next to Household Hunt. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the comments. I'm going to type my name and click Submit Assignment. And that's all there is to it.